What's up, Jessica? Squad? Today I'm going to try out making some panda rice balls with this rice ball set that I got from Daiso, and it has the tool to make the panda shape, and it has a hole, it's like a hole puncher to punch out the shapes to make the panda face. So let's give it a try. I have some rice I just served my family, but I have some left over because I was saving it for this, and I have some seaweed right here. So let's see how the panda thing works. Let's see. Okay, I see that it's like this. I feel like something comes out. I feel like it comes out. Let's see. My first time using this item. I was thinking maybe something like you squeeze it on the stem. Trying to figure this out. I slip the seaweed inside there, and I put this there, and I punch it down. So first, let's make the panda head shape. Okay, so this is just some nice little sticky rice here. I'm pretty sure I got to pack it in there really well, so it'll have that shape. That's just my kids playing in the background. They're waiting because they're kind of excited. It's not that it's gonna make it taste any, but it's just really adorable. This will help to really flatten it down and compact it. Okay. Now, let's see how to get it out. Oh, look at that. Let's see how it comes out here. Ooh, it's gonna be so cute if it works out. Let's see. It's a little stuck. Okay. Alright, there's one. First panda head shape. Now I'll make two more. Okay, hang on. Oh, I love you too. You're excited, right? And what's the last one? I think this is a pretty nice little tool so far. Yeah, this gets really easy once you get the hang of it. And to make it nice and neat, I just give away the excess rice. Let's hope the hole punching part goes good. I like how it sticks out just a bit right there, so that the rice will stick to the plate and help pull it out of the mold. Make it look like a little bit of a curve there. On this side, that blocks in place there. Now I'll wash this off for later. Now comes the tricky part. Time to put the seaweed. Here comes the seaweed. I'm going to slip it in there. I hope not to make it wet or anything like that. And then just crack. Does that work? No. This is the tricky part. It's kind of hard to get it open. This part. Let's try it one more time. This is so difficult. This is supposed to be the ear. Okay, here comes the other ear. This ear got a little bit deformed. And here comes that little mouth part. The mouth part seems to have trouble. But, I guess I can use this mouth part from earlier. And maybe extend that little piece there. So I made one. I would just say that this is the nice part. And this is the hard part. Even though this seems like it should be very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and try to work on the other two. Okay, everybody. So there's how it came out. There's the pandas. I'm going to go serve my kids. See if they like it. Something scary happened to your rice. It turned into pandas.
Did Philip was anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, help me! It's little rice panda heads.
Help me, what is that for? That's good.
It's good. You want sauce on it?
Mm-hmm.
You want some teriyaki?
Mm-hmm.
This is for cute Vincent. You want one? He's full. He already ate. He didn't want to wait around waiting for a panda. Well, I hope you liked the video and please subscribe. We have a lot more videos on our channel.